All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC Universal Cut. So, guys, today I want to show us how to cut a perfect taper fade. You know, we have mid taper fade, low taper fade, and high taper fade. Look at this hair now. Thank God that this hair is uniform. Can you see it? So I'm going to start it. I'm going to give him a mid low taper fade, mid. I don't want it to go too up. Do you understand? So pay attention very well. If today is the first time I see my channel, my pages, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Ask questions, and don't forget to follow us for more. Let's dive into it. So the first thing you need to do, comb the hair, sterilize your clip. I've done that already. Comb the hair thoroughly. I've done that already. So the first thing you need to do is to create your first guideline, which is going to be on skin level. When creating the first guideline, remember what I told us, that it's going to be a what? A mid taper fade. It's not going to go up too much. It's not going to come down. It's going to be in the middle. Do you understand? So let's go. What you need to do is to join your blade together. You know, you are creating the first guideline. The first guideline, you are going to join your blade together. Please share this video. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be putting out these tutorials. It's not easy to make tutorial. Please share this video. Let other people to learn from this. If you want to watch it and benefit anything from it, make sure you share it. Now, creating the first guideline, you are going to curve it. This plate that this here start from. This is the theory aspect. We are going to dive into the practical aspect. Look at it. We are going to curve it like this. Let's go. You put it like this. Can you see it? This is the first guideline. You curve it like this. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on what? It's going to be on low cut level. Bring the gear down. Put it on low cut level. This is low cut level. This is blade, not step one yet. You create the second guideline. Follow it like this. Don't let it to go too up. Can you see it? This is the second guideline we have created. The next thing you need to do now is to clean up the first guideline. There is line between here. You join the blade together. You use the edge of the blade to remove the line. Can you see it? Remember, this is mid taper fade. The next thing we need to do now is to create the shape of the taper fade. We are going to create the shape. We are going to make use of your what? 1.5 guard. Step 1.5, 1.5. You put it. Once you put it, you carry it up like this. You flip it up like this. Flip it up like this. You create it like this. Remember, what we are cutting is mid taper fade. Can you see the shape is coming out? After you have created the shape like this, the next thing you need to do is to use your step 1. This is where you use your step 1. It's very, very simple. Look at it. You put it under low cut level, bring the gear down, carry it up like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Carry it up like this. After this one, the next thing you need to do is to join the blade together, put it under skin level. Put it under step 1, you carry the gear up, you close it, you blend it down. See what I'm doing? Can you see that the blend is coming out? Taper fade is very, very simple, but if you don't know the techniques, it's difficult. Can you see it? After this, the next thing you need to do is turn your hand downward, put it under what? Under low cut level, bring the gel down. You blend it like this. Can you see it? After you have done it like this, finish, you remove your step one. You do the normal hand what? Hand blending. You bring the gel down like this. You rake it down like this. Watch what I'm doing. You rake it down like this. You rake it down like this. You rake it. After you have raked it down, finish it. Turn your hand like this. You blend it down. Can you see what I'm doing? You blend it down. You raise your hand up. You blend it up. After you have gotten the shape, can you see that it's very, very simple? It looks simple, right? If you don't follow it accordingly, step by step, you miss out. So hope you have. After this, now the next thing you need to do is to comb out the hair. If you comb the hair out, then you trim it, put it under low cut level. You trim it like this. After this, you are good to go. So this is tutorial purpose. That's why I'm taking it slow, slow. Do you understand? So this is how to cut mid taper fade. Can you see it? It's very, very simple and short. So if you like this video, if you benefit anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and save this video for future purpose. Share this video, let other people learn. Thank you. This is HUC, Universal Code.